Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is DC Rohan. Here we are with a Thanksgiving video to all my friends who have supported me in Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever it might be. And this video is for educational purpose. I'm doing this because everyone is in need of this, so I'm doing this video. This is for educational purpose only, guys. Okay, we need to go to a website. Before that, I'm using this OBS Studio because this is my emulator. This must be done in phone, so currently I don't have phone. I'm doing this in my emulator, and my emulator recorder is not working. See, it's not working, so I'm using the OBS Studio. Right, let's go into the website now. The website is amazon.de.com or .in. Do not use .com or .in because it may result you in an error. Okay, after coming to the website, you need not to use any VPN. Let me translate these pages into English. Okay, languages, and scroll down, English please. As I have non-Telugu viewers and I get Hindi comments, I'm doing this video in English language until the page gets translated. And the website, it is fake-it.ws. Let's move into that page, and the page will ask for us a verification, human verification. If you use VPN, you can't get the verification, but need not. You need not to do verification if you use the VPN, and it's a matter of 2 minutes, so I didn't use any VPN. Okay, let me do the verification. Okay guys, I need to select what? Cars. Okay, car, all. So my emulator is slow, a bit slow, so the video is not coming properly. Okay, I'll manage it in the editing. Okay, shift it to this page. It's translated now. Okay, now let's we'll start our process. You see that login button, right? Emulator is slow. I'm showing you with pictures. You see that login video button. After coming, you have to create a new account with your Gmail or Outlook. Do not use any other Gmails because it asks for a Germany number. All of us don't have a Germany number, right? So I'll use it. I've skipped the part because I don't want to let my details out. So here I've got the OTP, and OTP can be shown to you, right? It's 423230. I've entered it wrong one, so I'll try it again. After trying it, okay, here we are. Here we can see again the Prime membership. You can do this in mobile. It will be so easy in mobile. Emulator is a bit trust one. Okay, it's a hard one. After tapping on the Prime membership, here you will be in this page and add bank account. Now shift to the another website. See, here you will get the bank details of Germany, and here is the name. Do not highlight blue, make it blue and copy it. Just tap on it to copy. It's easy. Tap on it to copy, and here I'll paste the name. Okay, I've pasted the name. Next I need the IBAN. Okay, shifting to other tab, I need IBAN. Scroll down to get the IBAN. We need not to make it blue, highlighted and copy. Just tap on it to copy. It's easy. Website provided us the good use. And here we are, IBAN. Clicked, IBAN is copied. Now I'll paste the IBAN. It's getting so hard to paste in the emulator. Next time I'll type it manually. Paste the IBAN. Okay, once again I'll be copying the IBAN. Yes, here's the IBAN. Now I need BIC SADLAD51HOM. First let me try to paste. Okay, SCA, it's not pasting. SCA LAD51HOM, right? It's correct. Okay, add the bank details. Now remember, this is for educational purpose. Here it's asking for the full name. Here we can give the full name which is provided, or anything we can type. Any detail can be given here, but it must be correct. Okay, random details will be given here. Okay, I'll give. And remember, do not place orders from this account. Please don't use this account to place orders. Okay, just use it in the Prime Video to browse and see the movies. Okay, I'll place his name. Okay, something. And I'll give the address line one as 3143453/D. This is random, and another one is also random. See, I'll be doing and typing something. Okay, it's asking me for place. What I'll do is Bihar. I'll paste the Bihar, right? Okay, I need a Bihar zip code now. I'll search for it. 803101. I have skipped a part of video. See, I have done the places Ranchi, Bihar, and pasting these. Okay, you can stop the video and see the details which I have written and copy paste. After that, I've done everything. Test now. Okay, the video is not over yet, guys. We are just starting our Prime, but your Prime belongs to Germany. We have to shift it to the India now. Okay, if it asks you for a number, you can give any random number. It's not of giving only your number. Okay, we can give any number as I have given in the details where I have given the billing address. Okay, now here we are. To change the country, we need to come into the Prime official primevideo.com, not DE here. Okay, here we are. Here again I'll be blurring my details. Okay, remember, you can give any mobile number in the billing details, not for the OTP. And if it asks for a OTP, try shifting your Gmail address. Okay, if you have any problem, just comment me. I'll be noting to you. Okay, here after logging in, just scroll down. Here it's showing to update location. Now I'll click on India. See, if I'm updating my location, it will be translated. Translate, or change the country directly. Please make it fast, emulator. Okay, it's translated now. Change the country fast, my dear emulator. Okay, account is updated. Now just click on your profile and account and settings, and just after translating, come to language section. Here's language. Okay, it's showing German, and click on English. Scroll down to save. We need to make this process once again. Okay, again save. Okay, now the Amazon account is completely ready to use in India. Okay, let's try to show you. I'll try. I'll click on the play button. It's showing to play. If it is not Prime, it will be showing you to take. Oh, Play Store is open. I have to install app. Okay, no need. If it is not Prime, it will ask us to buy a subscription. It is directly playing. So the video is done. Thank you for watching, everybody. And if you want any PUBG funny videos and everything, I've given a link in the description of a channel called Noob Gamer. You can check it out to get PUBG videos which are so funny, and he have given some song remix with PUBG version. And thanks for your support, guys. Let's make it so fun and so exciting lot more in the future. Thank you.